Hello everyone, today I have made something that is an absolute abomination from a certain British popular movie. It's like regular shoes, except it has box openers inside the shoes. And you can open them, and you can close them, and you can lock them in position and open or enclosed. They're just like regular shoes, but when you want to open a box, let's say you have a thing and it needs a hole in it, and you want it to have a hole in it, you just and then it has a hole in it, and they automatically retract. You can lock them in if you want. You just slide back, and then you slide forward, and then it stays in the position, and then you have a cool box opener. You can use it on all sorts of things. If you're bored, I was trying to find a thing that I have that I don't mind being destroyed. I think I have, here we go. Here I have a cardboard box. Perhaps I want said cardboard box to have a hole in it. I simply do this, and now it has a hole in it. And maybe I want it to have another hole in it. It has a hole in it now. And I can do it with both feet. And you can decide how viciously you want the hole to go in. If you really want it to stay locked, you can slide it forward and then pull this little latch back, which will lock it into position, meaning that it won't it won't stop. It'll continue all the way in, and then you can retract it. Super cool, very nifty little invention. Not really an invention. It's not very original, but it is kind of cool. I mean, I don't know what you'd use this for. I mean, just having this. Maybe like you want to open a lot of boxes really fast, and you want to open them with feet and hands. Perhaps you'd use it for this. Or, you could always just sort of, it's kind of like scary kicks. But, yeah. Super easy to make. Not very difficult, not super expensive. Just sort of straight to the point, and very satisfying. You can walk around with them. They're quite simple. They're just like regular shoes. They work on pretty much any surface. You just slide them out, slide them in. That's about it. You barely even notice that you have them on. They just feel like regular shoes, and you don't have to worry about them coming out without you flicking them. It has to be sort of like a deliberate thing for them to come out. Yeah. You can't really see them on this carpet. They're kind of invisible. It's sort of all about the angle that you slide your feet back and forward as to how they come out. And it's super fun to just poke holes in things. Why you would need these, who knows? But now I have some, and you can too, if you can be bothered making them. Like normal shoes, they just have pointy bits. And if you have a thing, for example a box, that you would like there to be a hole in it, you can simply put a hole in it. It works on both sides. It's very durable. Don't have to worry about them being... Okay, occasionally you have to replace the blades, but the blades are super cheap, so you don't really have to worry about that. It's a nice, fun toy that you can play with when you get bored. It's a shoe that puts holes in things. I don't know what you call it, if there's a specific name, or if this is like a new thing, I'm not really sure. You can do that. It has bonus damage in that it will shrapnelify if you kick it hard enough, leaving said blade inside target. Obviously that can be a little bit annoying, but seeing as though the blade's pretty cheap, even a snapped blade will still deal a significant amount of damage to said cardboard box. And these things are honestly not that expensive to replace. Obviously it's not going to work if you want to put it into something like super strong and metal, but I'm pretty sure with some modifications you could find a way. And even without the point on, they do a lot of damage. I mean, I wouldn't want to be kicked even by the blunt end. Matter of fact, the blunt end just means that there's more blade directly at the front, so you can poke holes in boxes for days. It's very fun. You can even do the little Chuck Norris double kick, and then you draw, and then boom, and then draw, and then boom, and then draw. And when the blade's all used up and snapped, running low on razor blades, but there's not really much point in that. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. I may as well quickly show how these are made. So it's just a box cutter glued to the bottom of your boots. If you want to be fancy, you could most definitely like paint it black and make it look all fancy. Or you could upgrade the type of knife to like a proper switchblade. But who needs all that when you can make these shoes for a budget of $5? Which is literally the budget that I made these with. The shoes were $2, the razor blades were $3. Which is actually kind of surprising to me. I was surprised that you can get razor blades for just $3. I got like 5 of them for $3. And it's all sorts of fun. And for the target here, I've just got, what is this? It's a cardboard box just filled with newspapers. And it seems to do the job. It lasts for quite a while before it falls completely to bits. Which could be nice. It's just a fun sort of a practice target. You can practice all the different types of kicks, like the backwards down strikes, and the quick draw stabbies, and down inwards, all sorts of different approaches. As you can see, it makes pretty big holes, and lots of different angles. I'm sorry, I'm just having so much fun. It's just hard not to want to kick this box with these shoes on. As soon as you put these shoes on, the urge to kick cardboard boxes, it just spikes rapidly. You just all of a sudden you just really want to poke cardboard boxes. Eventually you'll run out of razor blade, but that's okay. You just replace the razor blade. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.